Hi everyone, today we will learn how to make this 3D quilt flower. So let's get started. So firstly we have to take two strips, attach it using glue, and I'm here taking purple and pink. And now take your glue bottle, wrap your strip around it, apply some glue and make a ring out of this. Now secure the ends using glue. Now give it a teardrop shape like this. And now I'll show you how to make filler for this. So for that, I'm taking here half strip of purple and pink and pasting it together. I have created two more. Now attach the fillers together like this. Now apply some glue inside the drop shape. Now insert your filler into this. Yeah, it's done. I have created 7 more. And now I'll show you how to make a small petal. So now I'm wrapping my strip around the glue cap. So the same way I have created 2 fillers. For big one I use 3 fillers and for the small petal I am using here 2 fillers. Attach them together and again insert it into the drop shape. I have created 6 more. So here I am taking pre-cut circular paper and I am cutting it. Apply some glue and paste it. Give it a cone shape like this. And now we are going to assemble our flower. Apply a lot of glue on it and start pasting your petals. Firstly, we will start with the big petals. Paste here all the petals. So we have pasted big petals. Now we'll move to the small petals. Apply some glue again and paste it one by one. It is so easy to create, anyone can create it. And you can use these flowers in your assignments as well. And guys, if you like quilling flowers, so I have a playlist on my channel, please go and check it out too. So we are done with the small petal as well. And now I'll show you how to make the fringe flower. For that I'm taking here a paper strip. I'm making fringes. Now I'll start rolling it with the help of my quilling slot. Secure the ends using glue. Now open the fringes of the flower. I love making fringe flowers. And now attach it. And now apply some glue on it and attach it with the flower. So guys, our flower is ready. So guys, it will look like this. Tell me in the comment section guys, how is it? I love it. And you?